Edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Ampreen Lingdo and Mohendro Robsang resigned as MLAs and joins NPP. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays the foundation stone for construction of a motorable slab. Press Information Bureau Shillong organized media workshop Vartalap. And state holds program to celebrate the communities of Meghalaya. And now for the news in detail. Suspended Congress legislators Ampreen Lingdo and Mohendro Robsang resigned as MLAs on Monday. They submitted their resignation letters to the Assembly Commissioner and Secretary Andrew Simons. They have joined the NPP this afternoon. UDP MDC from Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Mlanki Lamare from Narpo was also inducted. The induction program was organized in the presence of NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Vice President Preston Tinsong. On this occasion, the Meghalaya Unit President of NPP Dr. W.R. Kharluki also introduced the 6 NPP candidates from Shillong City who will contest the upcoming assembly polls. Dr. Ampreen Lingdo is also appointed as a spokesperson of NPP. She will fight from East Shillong, while Mohendro Robsang will fight from West Shillong constituency-owned NPP ticket. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today laid the foundation stone for construction of a motorable slab covered channel on Wa Desoy at Moprem. Local MLA Mohendro Robsang was also present on the occasion. The length of the road is 175 meters. During the program, Tinsong appreciated the hard work of the local MLA and the 4 headmen who are present during the function. Press Information Bureau Shillong today organized media workshop Vartalap with journalists from Meghalaya on election and media. The aim of the workshop was to reinforce media ethics and enhance the capabilities of journalists in managing risk in election reporting and give authentic information to the people. During the workshop, Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya F.R. Kharkongor said that role of Election Commission and media are 2 sides of the same coin in ensuring free and fair election. He urged media to set the right narratives and help voters to make informed choice. Director General of PIB B. Narayanan said during workshop that 90% of the fake news can be easily detected using internet and fake news tools and urged journalists to get them acquainted with.
The role of the Election Commission and the media are basically 2 sides of the same coin, to ensure that there's a level playing field, to ensure that there is, that everyone, that all the players play by the rules. It has always been an abiding belief of the Election Commission and the Office of the CEO that media is omnipresent. No democratic election can take place without media. Media is a necessity to ensure a free and fair election.
A program to celebrate and spotlight the communities of Meghalaya for their good work across various sectors of rural development and livelihood enhancement was held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. A total of 12 communities and individuals were felicitated and provided with a platform to share their best practices and innovations. The program was organized under the IFAD Support Meghalaya LAMP project exclusively for the communities with the support of Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. In his address, Chief Guest Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya, stated his delight at being able to participate at the mutual lesson learning experience. Also present were Gunanka DB, Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya and Additional Project Director of Community-led Landscape Management Project and others.
A lot of interesting things in Meghalaya, especially in all the sectors we are doing well, whether it is in the sectors of community development, whether it is in the sectors of infrastructure, whether it is in the sectors of health, whether it is in the sectors of tourism, entrepreneurship. There are a lot of interesting things that are happening. And organizations like MBMA are leading the way in doing this in many sectors. But the important thing while we do this work is also to share these stories, because the world needs to be not just from our point of view. We are doing interesting things. When we do interesting things at a community level, it's a matter of pride for the community to articulate these stories to others.
The Garo community of Ripoi district, under the ban of all Ripoi Garo Headmen Association, today organized the rally at Rangsokuna and demanding to issue appointment and sanat to all the existing 56 Garo villages in Ripoi district. Nikhil R. Marak, advisor of association, and John R. Marak in the rally assured the people that they are going to continue their protest if the Hima, Milim and Gage ADC will not recognize the Garo headman. They further said that the petition will be soon submitted to the Gage ADC, Hima Milim and Same of Raj Marwet to request to empower Garo headmen and to regulate their function as per the customary law. This year also, the Dorbar of Mula Milyang village will celebrate Christmas with lights extravaganza. The village is also known as the Oasis Green Village. This Christmas lights display was graced by the Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya F.R. Kharkongor as the chief guest in the presence of Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills A. Baranwal and other invitees. The string of lights along with different designs have been prepared to brighten up the village and bring out the cheer and festive feeling of Christmas, with addition on Meghalaya celebration of 50 years of statehood and the upcoming election in the state. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 19.7 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 8.7 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 69% and in the evening 86%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Ampreen Lingdo and Mohindro Robsang resigned as MLAs and joins NPP. Deputy Chief Minister Press Don Tinsong lays the foundation stone for construction of a motorable slab. Press Information Bureau Shillong organized media workshop Vartalap. And state holds program to celebrate the communities of Meghalaya. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.